Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
So how long should you wait to have a drink? It's best to avoid alcohol after getting a tooth pulled for as long as your dentist or oral surgeon recommends. The safest bet would be to wait about 7 to 10 days while the wound heals. Choose to drink water instead. Staying hydrated is important during the healing process.
Take our lead.
Generally, it's best to avoid alcohol after an extraction for as long as your dentist suggests. That's usually at least 72 hours. Just to be on the safe side, though, you may want to wait 7 to 10 days for the blood clot to fully form and the extraction site to finish healing. During that time, drink water instead.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to recover from oral surgery. Take it easy. Rest at home. Avoiding physical activity. Use ice. Apply ice packs to your face for 15 minutes on and then 15 minutes off to keep swelling down. Eat soft foods. Take prescribed antibiotics. Keep your mouth clean. Brush carefully. Eat foods rich in vitamin A and C.
Take our lead.
For at least 24 hours after your tooth extraction, you should consume only soft foods and liquids. You can ease into a more normal diet when you feel comfortable doing so. Try to stick with easy-to-chew foods for a few days. Initially, choose cool foods like yogurt, pudding, jello, and ice cream.
Make your mark, take our lead.
However, after wisdom teeth removal, it is best to wait at least 24 to 48 hours before drinking any soda. The carbonation bubbles in soda can dislodge the blood clot needed to heal, making your recovery process longer and more painful.
Let's help you make your mark.
Drinking alcohol can increase the chances of developing a dry socket. When a tooth is extracted, a blood clot is formed in the area from where the tooth is removed. The blood clot covers the nerves and stops bacteria from forming. Alcohol can stop blood clot formation or can dislodge it, which can cause a dry socket.
Let's help you make your mark.
Avoid dissolving or destroying the formed clot. Don't drink alcohol and hot beverages for a few days. Wash your teeth gently, avoiding brushing on the site of the extraction. If you use a mouthwash, be gentle with the rinsing.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Can I drink alcohol after a tooth extraction? Unfortunately, most dentists will recommend abstaining from alcohol after you have a tooth pulled. Once a tooth is removed, a blood clot must form over the extraction site in order for your mouth to heal properly. This process can take about a week.
Let's help you make your mark.
In order for your mouth to heal properly, you should avoid your favorite cup of coffee at least for the first few days. As long as the extraction site heals day after day, you'll be able to carefully sip a caffeinated beverage about 5 days once your tooth has been removed.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.